Welcome to Marco's Turnkey Solution, a fully integrated system designed to streamline your packaging process from start to finish. This innovative setup ensures efficiency, accuracy, and reliability at every step, making it perfect for your end-of-line operations. It all begins with Marco's low-friction conveyor. Engineered with precision, this conveyor ensures a smooth and controlled transfer of products to the next stage. With its stainless steel construction and adjustable guide rails, the low-friction conveyor accommodates various product sizes, offering unmatched versatility. Products glide effortlessly, reducing friction and allowing operators to interact with ease. Next, products move to the Marco CW150S check weigher. This robust and highly accurate system ensures each item meets the required weight specifications. Equipped with 3 beds, an initial bed, a weighing bed, and a gapper bed, the CW150S precisely measures and identifies products as compliant or non-compliant. With accuracy down to 1 gram, the system guarantees quality and consistency every time. From the check weigher, products continue onto the divergent conveyor. Here, the system efficiently separates products with the correct weight from those that do not meet the standard. This ensures that only the best products advance to the next stage. The final stage is Marco's Traymaster. Designed for high-speed packing, the Traymaster places trays into boxes with precision and ease. With a reconfigurable head, it adapts to your specific pack sizes and production needs, handling up to 80 trays per minute. Its modular design allows for additional heads to increase output, making it a scalable solution for growing businesses.